video, I will show you how to make a blind hem stitch. To get started, you will need a threaded needle with a knot at the end. Working from right to left, bend back the hem of your garment anywhere from 1/8 to 1/4 inch for the depth of the stitch. In this case, my pant hem has hem tape and I will be repairing the hem. I'm using contrast thread for the purpose of this video. I suggest finding a thread that blends in with the fabric or matches exactly. Keeping my stitch length at 1/8 inch, I will alternate from the garment side to the hem tape side, continuing to move to the left, picking only a few threads of the fabric each time. If you are working with fine fabric, such as silk or satin, graze the back of the fabric by picking only 1 to 2 threads of the fabric while you make your stitch. If you are working with bulky fabrics, you can pick up about 3 to 4 threads, just making sure you do not go all the way through to the face of the fabric. The goal here is to not see the stitch on the right side. The blind hem stitch is very similar to the plain stitch. The difference being the plain stitch is a longer stitch length. It's typically used for internal tacking, for example, the jacket facing tacked to the front of the coat. You can use either the blind hemming stitch or the plain stitch to hem your pants or skirts. I would only suggest keeping in mind the stitch length. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you'd like to see more, and make sure to share the video with a friend. Until next time, my name is Audra, and I'll see you in the next video.